9 forecast.
You are looking live at a few friendly clouds on that northwestern horizon as viewed by our Carter Mountain weather camera overlooking Charlottesville and central Virginia. Barely a cloud to block that scorching sun over the next couple of afternoons. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Let's get you set up for your Sunday for Charlottesville and central Virginia, quickly rising through the 50s and 60s, 70s, 80s, and then 90s for the second half of the day for the Shenandoah Valley, Harrisonburg, Stanton, Waynesboro. Here's your first forecast. A quick rise from the 60s into the 80s and even low 90s for you, with scorching sunshine and a bit more humid compared to the past couple of days and overnights. And it's going to be more humid, especially as we go into Labor Day Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And even for this evening, expect another orange sky sunset. That's exactly what we saw last night. Check out this morning's weather snapshot coming to us from Gordonsville, where we had that orange sky sunset around 7:30 last evening. As I talked about, we would have these red sky sunrises and sunsets. Great snapshot there, and we can expect a similar sight for tonight. Keep those photos coming. If you see it, snap it and send them our way. The easiest way to upload your photos from your smartphone or tablet is through the Storm Team 29 weather app. So scan that QR code right there. Make sure you have that on your smartphone or tablet. You can get your latest forecast, hour by hour updates, and any weather alerts, and of course our updated weather videos. All right, right now numbers are in the 50s and the 60s, about 10 degrees warmer compared to this time yesterday. So our heat wave is starting to build right now, and it will especially begin to get hotter tomorrow through about Thursday. Now the dew points are going to slowly increase. Now thankfully we're not going to get into the oppressive category. So as of right now we don't have any heat alerts or excessive heat advisories from the National Weather Service because the dew points aren't going to get terribly high this go around, but we'll keep an eye on that. But the bottom line, say the air temperatures in the mid 90s like we're going to have today, tomorrow, and also on Tuesday and Wednesday. Heat index of about 100 degrees or so. Inside your car, it could be as hot as 120 degrees, and on the road paved surfaces, as hot as 130 degrees. So obviously, never leave anybody unattended in your vehicle. And also make sure if you're walking the dog, you're walking them in the grass and not over the pavement with temperatures that hot, right? Dry scans will prevail, I guarantee it, on our live Doppler radar network. Just a couple of passing clouds on that northern horizon. High pressure was going to be large and in charge, keeping us dry for quite some time. High-res weather tracker shows a couple of passing clouds, barely giving us some shade from that scorching sunshine. Next best chance for any shower and thunderstorm will hold off until Friday, but even that is going to be a small chance, but it will turn cooler, especially by the weekend. So in the 90s the next several afternoons. By the weekend, here comes a heat-busting cold front, bringing down some more seasonable September temperatures. For today, though, highs in the low to mid 90s, about a 30-degree rise in temperature from now to afternoon. Tonight, we're back in the 60s and the 70s. Tomorrow, in the 90s, approaching 100 degrees for your Labor Day Monday, nearly 15 degrees hotter than usual for this time of the year. So near record-breaking heat, approaching 100 degrees on Tuesday and Wednesday. It'll feel that way with the heat index. Mostly storm-free until Friday, but even Friday storm chances are minimal, less hot and a bit less humid for next weekend.
Yeah, those 399 days in a row is going to be brutal.
It's going to feel like it's 100 to 105 degrees with a heat index tomorrow through about Wednesday.
Yeah, make sure you guys are staying safe and staying cool.
Indeed.
Well, thank you.